Machiegni kendo chenro mar rwako jopuonjre klas 9 dhi mbele e skunde mopogore opogore e kaunti ma Nandi ka skund yawuoyi ma Kapsabet oyudo kwan mamalo mar jopuonjre higani. Kaluwore kod japuonj maduong' mar skundno Kipchumba Maiyo, jopuonjre mohewo 600 igeno ni biro riwore kod skundno e klas 9. Maiyo owacho ni atamalo 90 mar jopuonjrego osechopo e skul kanyo kendo chenro mar rwakogi dhi mbele maber maonge chochni mora mora.
We are grateful this morning as early as 3 a.m. Our students in Form 1 who are actually supposed to be around over 600 who have reported. They came very early in the morning, and by now, as you can see, the environment and the compound, it has over 500 students who have reported basically. The process is very smooth. The parents have been assisted, and we are seeing them. They are very anxious to have their sons in the school, and we are very happy. So far, every process is good enough. Basically, we have seen most of them with their small challenges and have been sorted.
Nimefika hapa 5. The process is okay. They are very orderly. Yeah, and I'm happy to be a parent here.
Nimetoka Kajiado, Kitengela. Nililete kijana yangu ameweza kupata hii shule ya Kapsabet High School. Niliweza kufika hapa asubuhi sana, saa 12 asubuhi. Na hali vile hivyo iko mzuri. Inaelekea vizuri, process iko vizuri, walimu wamejiandaa kukaribisha watoto. Na natumai wakati wote sasa mimi ndaweza kumaliziwa niweze kuondoka.
Ten kanisa mar Lord's